Well, hey there, NYS Enterprises. I had talked to Danielle. My name is Gary Swick, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? Wasn't it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. And the answer is, well, actually I don't read minds, but oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Gary, please help me out and do this for me. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, hey, shoot me a message, let's chat, I'd love to help you. And if not, you just want to simply take this free attack plan, hey, that works for me too. No harm, no foul. So let me talk about these 3 things, right? So we're talking about content, citations, and backlinks, right? And so content is basically all the words, all the pictures on your website. And that includes, what your pictures are saved as. There's alt text that can be saved behind pictures as well, where you can include keywords. So NYS logo dark, you can definitely save your logos or save different pictures as keywords and phrases. That helps you out with your Google searches, when the Google bots scour your website, and you can get a lot of credit for different keywords that customers don't see, but the computers do. And so you want to have unique, authoritative content and enough of it to add in the keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for in Google search to find someone who offers your services. And so your website definitely looks good. I was going to try and save some different pictures to see what you have saved as, but you don't have too many pictures, because when you look at these pictures, they just kind of flip over, which is a pretty cool animation. But anyway, so yeah, I would just get your content up to 1,500 to 2,500 words on your front page, and that will definitely help you in the organic search for Google. Next, I want to talk about citations. And a citation is basically a directory, like a website, that allows business owners to list their business name, address, phone number, and that will help you with different searches, right? So if we take a look at a search here, right? So I looked up asphalt paving contractors, Tacoma, Washington, right? So you got ads, which those are hit or miss, right? Because a lot of people don't like ads. A lot of people have ad blocking software on their computers, and that they don't even see these ads. But citations help with this section, right? The map pack. So if you want to really get listed highly on the map pack, what you do is you find the top dogs in here, and you see what citations they have, and you copy them. Get on all the citation links that they have, that they're on, like Yelp, Super Pages, BBB, there's all kinds of local and national citation directories that you can get on. And you don't want to stop at just copying all theirs. You want to go, copy all theirs and go beyond to really dominate that market. And so once you get down from the map section here, this is what we call the organic search, and this is what requires a lot of search engine optimization, which requires different backlinking, and so citations, backlinks, right? So backlinks is the last thing I'd like to talk about. Now, a backlink is basically another website that has a link to your website on their site that people can click on, and it'll link back to your website that could generate more traffic. Now, not all backlinks are equal, of course, because let's say you did some work on an ice cream shop and they put a backlink or a link to your website from their ice cream website. So getting a link from an ice cream shop isn't as, we'll say, strong as a link from another asphalt paving contractor or something like that, right? And so what I do is I use a tool called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it is pretty good as far as an indicator for you and your competition. So you've got 210 backlinks from 85 different referring domains, which gets you 86 keywords organic, and looks like you got 19 that you pay per click, which gives you an organic traffic of 56, value of $18. So if we look at your competition here, right? I looked at Rainier Asphalt. They've got 301 backlinks from 65 referring domains, which gets them 796 keywords. That's why they're, basically the first one in the organic search, right? And they get an organic traffic of 401 and the value of 1.2 thousand. So, you want to definitely get ranked for your keywords. So top keywords, paving companies near me. We can look at your keywords as well. So you're pay-per-clicking for different things. Snow plow on demand, yeah, that's pretty good. So that's basically what you're showing your ads for, right? So anytime somebody does a search for that, your ad will show up. So yeah, pretty interesting. As far as, looks like you do a lot of snow plowing, which is great. If that's what your business gets, that's great. It seems like different cities and whatnot, which is pretty interesting. As far as I'm looking here locally in Tacoma, and let's see what you're getting ranked for as far as this is Rainier Asphalt, and so let's see what they're getting positioned number 1 for. So Asphalt Seattle 1, they getting a lot of number 1 position searches, right? And the cost per click for these is $12, but of course they're not having to pay that because they've got enough backlinks and enough keywords that helps them get number 1 in the organic search. Parking lot striping supplies. They've got a lot of different keywords that they're using, right? And so let's look at yours, right? So your organic keywords. You're going to get positioned number 1 for your company name, of course. And I know that you guys are local in Tacoma. Maybe you have another company over in so you're getting position 1 for NYS Enterprises, so good. Position 13 for Seattle Asphalt. Driveway, Seattle Ceiling, that's, you're looking at second, third page right there. Once you get past NYS Enterprises, basically you're at position 13, which is second, third page and beyond for the rest of your keywords and phrases, right? And so you want to definitely get up there, and that will be from backlinks. So content, citations, backlinks, get a lot of words, a lot of good, unique, authoritative keywords and phrases, get on a lot of the different citation directories, and get a lot of backlinks from referring domains, and you're going to see yourself right up there in all of the searches. So I hope to talk to you soon. My name is Gary Swick. Thank you.